copy and paste any image online, and you're going to make anywhere from $400 to $900 every single day. It's very simple, it's free, and it's easy. Every single time that you're able to copy paste an image, you're going to get paid real money in exchange. I know you guys love what you're hearing right now, so if you want to know what I'm going to be talking about, then make sure that you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. First things first, you're going to go into Google and you're going to type in Twilight cast, and I know you guys have heard of the movie Twilight. It's obviously very famous. Now when you look up this keyword, you're going to find the whole cast, so the actors, the actresses, everybody included in the film. Now we're going to start with Kristen Stewart, okay? You're going to open up a brand new browser. You're going to type in the keyword Kristen Stewart, and then you're going to add in the year 2008 to that search. And then you're going to click on the image. As soon as you looked up that keyword, Google is going to just click every single image of this actress all the way back in 2008. So you're going to click on that photo and then you can copy it. Now at this time, I want you guys to click on this photo. You're going to save it to your computer. You can also do this using your smartphone. Just save the photo, take a screenshot whatsoever. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to change the title to 2020. To find the following image, if you scroll down below, you're going to see the more recent photos of Kristen. For example, if you want to copy and download this picture to your computer, just click on it and then save image as. Now that we're able to finally have the 2008 and 2020 copies of Kristen Stewart's pictures, we're then going to go on to step number 2. Once you've successfully copied both images, I want you to go to the second website, which is called Ribbit.com. Now, Ribbit is a free photo editor that lets you copy and edit photos. Now, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you're going to do this without any experience or skills. You're going to use it on your browser, on your phone, computer, whatever device you have. You're going to click on the Start Editing button. And then it's going to take you to this page. You don't need to download any software before that. All you have to do is click on Enable Flash button, and you're going to be taken to another page where you're going to start uploading and copying images into this part. Now, usually there are 4 columns where you're going to add photos, but we're only going to need 2 for this strategy. I want you guys to take out 2 boxes right there by clicking the Close button right here. And then we're going to go ahead, delete both of them. And as you can see, to be able to go on to the next stage, you're going to click on the Upload button at the bottom, where you can upload the 2 photographs that we had just copied. Now in step 1, the first image is Kristen Stewart in 2008. And to open that up, all you need to do is click on that. Now, as you can see, it's going to start uploading at the bottom. Right away, after you've successfully uploaded a photo, all you have to do is drag it into the box to the left. As soon as you're done, we're going to upload the second photo. And to do this, you're going to click the upload button for the second time. And as soon as the upload has completed, we can drag the photo in the second box from the right. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, up to $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check out our description box down below. We have an amazing surprise for you there that I know you guys are going to find very great. So make sure to check out the description box down below to make even more money online. Also, please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see, because our future videos will be based completely off of all of your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas, so make sure that you do that, and let's get back into the video. So after you've successfully copied and pasted the image, we're going to be able to compare the well-known Twilight actress's image when she was 2008 and now in 2020. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is to look at the menu on the left. As you can see here, then you're going to select the text button, which is then going to let you edit the text in the image. Now, super duper easy process, okay? I'm going to show you some proof in a while. Now all you have to do is type the text into this box. For example, 2008, you're going to choose your font like Arial, and then you're going to click the add button. Then the text will then appear and you can drag it, drop it, in whatever position that you want. For example, the top or the bottom. And for example, you want to change the color of the text to whatever, you can also do that. You can also make a new text again that now says 2020. You're going to then enter 2020, press the add button the second time, going to move it to the bottom, change the color so that it'll match. Now, right now, creating a photo from scratch is super duper easy. All you need to do is copy and paste the photos to be able to combine them and put them side by side. And then you're going to add very simple text at the bottom or whatever part of the image. Now, you're going to click on the save button at the top to finish. This is the photo that you had just created. You don't even need to make any adjustments. Click on the save button and that's it. Next step, and the third step, once you've combined the image, you're going to go onto the website called Clirio.com. As soon as you arrive on this website, you're going to scroll down, you're going to click on the video maker button, and then you're going to see a blue button that says choose a file, and all you have to do is click on that. And then to start searching for the image that we had just created. Then they're going to start the process of uploading the photos, and then they're going to bring us to this page where we can edit the multiple pictures and make it into a video. Now, we're going to take a short break from that, I want you to view this YouTube sample in this particular YouTube channel. As you can see, all these videos already have thousands and even almost 1 million views, as you can see. And you're going to see the similarities between what this YouTube video is doing, what this channel is doing, and with what we had just created, right? We created a photo comparing this celebrity, this famous person, between past and present, 2008 and 2020. And then we can then combine the photos and turn it into a video. And this is exactly how many people are already making up to $30,000 every single month. Again, you're not going to need any skills at camera. You don't need to reveal your face whatsoever. It's a very easy, straightforward thing to do. You're just going to compare the photos, put the images together, add it to the video that I just showed you. It's that easy. And this is how these channels actually make money online, because they submit these films to YouTube. Now, as you can see, when I check and take a look at the channel, I can see some of how much they're earning. Maybe sometimes I can even look at, obviously based off of their subscribers and their views, you can expect that they probably earn a lot so much. Again, there are a ton of YouTube channels already using this exact strategy. All you need to do is put in that extra work, combine the photos, and when you take a look at the channel, when I scroll down below, you're gonna see that they have even so many people commenting, so many people liking the video. It really speaks volume, and you know that they earn a lot. So, as you can see, like they said, they're just combining 2 photos taken before and after. They do it again for 20 to 30 more photos in just one video, under 3 minutes, sometimes even 2. And this can bring thousands of dollars every month. And as you can see below, once you add a photo on Clirio.com, you can add another one. And then you're going to go back to the Twilight cast as soon as you've done that. And we're just going to do the method over and over again. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. Now we're going to get some photos of Robert Pattinson. Next, we're going to look up Robert Pattinson 2008. We're going to find some photos, do the process over again, come up with comparison images, which we can then just add to the software. And when I press the play button, they're going to transition from the first to the second photo. And as soon as you've completed taking the 10 or 20 seconds of comparison photographs, you will have 2 minutes of the video that you can post on YouTube. Now, when adding background music to your video, it's going to make it a lot more interesting, obviously, and entertaining, and will want other viewers to actually watch the video for a longer time, which is obviously important. You can just enter in YouTube Audio Library into the search bar on Google, and you can actually have access to this page just by clicking
the first link that you can see, and this is gonna let you have access to all of YouTube's copyright-free audio. You can play it, listen to it until you find the one that's best for you. Once you've found it, you can download it for completely free. Okay, and then all you have to do is click on add audio on the video. You're gonna choose the music that you had just downloaded. It's gonna start uploading, and as soon as it's done, the music is then gonna be added to the background of the photos, and as soon as you play them, it's gonna appear the moment the first photo appears, and you're gonna go move on to the second photo with music playing in the background as well. So this is exactly how a lot of people are already making tons of money. So everything that I had shown in today's video will give you the best results if you just follow every single step properly, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.